you ever reached the end of your day and wondered, what did I actually accomplish today? You were busy, but were you productive? You were tired, but from progress or from procrastination? What if I told you that your future isn't being destroyed by one big mistake, but by 5 small habits you repeat every single day? The scary part, most of us don't even realize we're doing them. Imagine this: you wake up with good intentions, you check your phone just for 5 minutes. 45 minutes later, you're scrolling through other people's success stories, while your own goals sit untouched. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow has been coming for years. Your dreams aren't dying from failure, they're dying from neglect, and neglect is silent. It doesn't shout, it whispers. So today, let's delete these 5 habits before they quietly delete your future. Habit 1, procrastination, disguised as preparation. I'm just waiting for the right time. I need to learn a little more. I'll start when things calm down. Sound familiar? Preparation is powerful, but endless preparation is fear wearing a smart mask. A seed doesn't wait for perfect weather, it grows through storms. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. Solution, start before you're ready. Take one small action today. 1 call, 1 page, 1 workout. Momentum is built, not found. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding by saying later? Habit 2, living on autopilot. Wake up, scroll, work, complain, sleep, repeat. Are you living or just looping? When you live on autopilot, your habits choose your future for you. Imagine your life as a ship. If you don't grab the steering wheel, the current will decide your destination. Solution, design your mornings. Even 30 intentional minutes can rewire your entire day. No phone, no noise, just purpose. Ask yourself every morning, who do I want to become today? Small daily adjustments create massive long-term shifts. Habit 3, surrounding yourself with negativity. Energy is contagious. If you constantly listen to people who complain, doubt, and criticize, what do you think grows inside you? You cannot build a skyscraper with broken bricks. Negativity doesn't just affect your mood, it shrinks your vision. Solution, audit your environment. Replace one negative input with one positive one. A podcast, a book, a mentor, a growth-driven friend. Protect your mind like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Ask yourself, who is influencing my thinking every single day? Habit 4, choosing comfort over growth. Comfort feels safe, growth feels uncomfortable. But here's the truth. Comfort today is regret tomorrow. Your muscles grow when they're stressed, your mind grows when it's challenged, your character grows when it's tested. If you avoid discomfort, you avoid transformation. Solution, do one thing daily that scares you slightly. Habit 5, ignoring your long-term vision. If you don't define your future, distractions will define it for you. Most people spend more time planning a vacation than planning their life. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Financially, mentally, physically, spiritually? Without vision, effort feels random. A clear vision turns sacrifice into investment. Solution, write down your future self in detail, then ask, what would that version of me do today? Let your future pull you forward. Here's the hard truth. No one is coming to rescue your potential. No alarm will ring and say, this is the moment your life changes. Change happens when you decide that your future is worth more than your comfort. 5 habits, 5 silent enemies. Delete them, and you don't just improve your life, you transform it. Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if you remove just one of these habits today. Stronger, sharper, more confident, closer to the life you dream about. Isn't that worth the discomfort? Your future is being built right now in the small choices you think don't matter. So choose wisely. Delete procrastination. Delete autopilot living. Delete negativity. Delete comfort addiction. Delete visionless effort. Replace them with action, awareness, growth, discipline, purpose. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for motivation. Start today. Comment below which habit you're deleting first. Commit publicly. Make it real. And if you're serious about building a stronger, sharper version of yourself, subscribe now for more powerful guidance that pushes you forward. Your future is watching. What will you do next?